The major nephrotic syndrome that occurs in children under age 6 is minimal change disease, where there is damage to the podocytes. Dr. Changes says that they could use a biopsy to diagnose minimal change disease, but since it is extremely common in children, they will just empirically treat Jane with corticosteroids. She explains that there are other primary causes of nephrotic syndrome less common in children, including membranous nephropathy, focal segmental glomerular sclerosis, and membranoproliferative glomerulonephritis. Dr. Changes also discusses possible complications from nephrotic syndrome. These include venous thrombi, acute kidney injury, spontaneous bacterial peritonitis, an increased risk of infection, and hypovolemia. The complications are primarily due to loss of proteins. The loss of antibodies causes an increased risk of infection. The loss of anticoagulants causes an increased risk of blood clots that may form venous thrombi, and the loss of effective arterial blood volume because of general protein loss can cause hypovolemia. Jane and her parents were happy with this explanation. Jane went home on corticosteroids and they all lived happily ever after.
Created using Powtoon.